Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to design a simple pop-up like this with reusable component in React.js. Yeah, let's start. Yeah, here I already created a React project and also I'm running this project. Here I'm going to use this JS file and also this CSS. Okay, first I'm going to save these two files and yeah, I imported that CSS file here. Yeah, I want to create a div, it's main div, inside div. I want to create one more div. Here I want to give class name. This is BG. This is for a background color. First I'm going to create a just a skeleton. Here BG, this is pop-up. Inside pop-up we have one span. Its name is pop-up. Its class name is title. Yeah, and also we have one cross icon, so one more span for that. And here, yeah, I'm leaving X. Yeah, this is a simple skeleton. And now save this. And also here main class having a main container. So I'm applying style for that. Here text align center. Before that I'm going to give I'm going to create one h1 tag for a simple pop-up and one button. Okay, this is for a show pop-up. Here we have on click, and before that we have one state const. This is show set show. You state initially it's false. Okay, first I copied that, and first I create this UI in this file. After that I will create one component and I will access that folder from parent to child. Okay, here initially we have true. When we click this button we are going to display true. Now this button and everything is ready, and I'm going to display this cross icon and this pop-up in pop-up. Okay, and also we need to add the condition for this here. To if this true, to display this, or otherwise I'm going to display empty string. Yeah, this is fine, and I'm going to design this pop-up and dot bg. Here I'm going to position absolute, top is 0, bottom is also 0, left is 0, right is also 0, and this background is just I give green or anything, and I'm going to give this black color, and I'm going to reduce the transparency. Yeah, this is fine, and save this. And if I click this, we have this background transparent is applied. I'm going to display the pop-up here. Dot pop-up, height is just I give 250 pixel, width is 400 pixel, background is white, and after that first I save this. Yeah, we have pop-up at the left side. I'm going to get this pop-up at the center of this screen. So here display flex, align item center. Now this pop-up is in vertically middle, but I'm going to add a justify content for this. Now pop-up is in center, and I'm going to display this cross icon at the right corner, top right corner. Okay, this pop-up section is also okay, but height is not good. To give 200. Yeah, this is fine. And yeah, first I'm going to give a style to that close icon. Think it's close, right? Yeah, here close and copy that and save this. Here both are same, I think. Position is absolute top. I just give a 5 pixel and right is just give a 10 pixel. Save this. Where it is, yeah, it's in this corner, but I want this cross icon inside this pop-up, so this is the parent div. I mean, we need to display the cross icon inside this pop-up, so here position is relative. Now the cross icon placed here, and I'm going to reduce the size of this. I just give a 3. Yeah, now this cross icon is fine, and here pop-up is also showing, and here border radius is 5 pixel. Now yeah, this is fine, and I'm going to add some style to that pop-up. Title, font size, yes, I'm just going to 17 pixel, and font weight, and yeah, I just give 700. Yeah, now pop-up is ready. If I click this cross icon, this pop-up is not closed, so yeah, this is the current pop-up. Okay, so I'm going to move this to one new component, or first I will show you how to close this pop-up. Here copy this, on click, and here paste that. Here I'm to display, I'm just pass this false here. If I click this, yeah, it's closed, right? Here I need to add a cursor pointer to this cross icon. Yeah, now this is fine. Again, yeah, this is fine. Yeah, super. I'm going to move this pop-up to one component. So here simple popup.js. Oh, sorry. I want to create a file inside this pop-up. Yeah, RFCE and click enter will create a sample function for us, and after that I'm going to cut this and paste it inside this, and I'm going to import this class, same class here too. Now this component is ready, and we need to get this state in one props, so I'm going to get that props here. Sorry, pro props, and before that I need to call that function here. So save this component first, and after that here I'm going to import that component. Yeah, it's imported here. Our component is ready, and now first I save this. It's showing here as set state is not defined at. Yeah, here this function is not defined at, right? So first I comment this line. I will show you whether this component is working or not. Okay, if I click this show button, yeah, now our pop-up is working fine, right? I need to pass the close functionality to that here. Okay, so from here I'm going to add a close props here, and I'm going to pass the state here. Okay, and save this, and here I'm passing this state in this close variable. So here I need to get that props dot close and save this. Now everything is fine. If I click this, refresh this screen and click show button, and pop-up is showing. If I click close, yeah, pop-up is closed, right? Yeah, this is what I tried to tell in this video, and you can simply create a pop-up like this, and yeah, you can reuse at any place. Okay, yeah, bye bye.